making that Thanksgiving dinner a little easier, way easier. I'm Tess, and join me as I make the traditional sweet potato casserole with marshmallows using canned sweet potatoes. Stay tuned. The most important thing at Thanksgiving are your friends and family, and you want to make dinner good but easy. Sometimes using canned sweet potatoes is the answer. I'm using these unsweetened canned sweet potatoes that I got from Walmart. These potatoes take all the work out of peeling and cooking the sweet potatoes, and what is nice is that I can add the amount of sugar that I want. I have two 40-ounce cans of sweet potatoes that I drained well in a colander, adding in a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and you can also use pumpkin pie spice, a half a cup of packed brown sugar, and you can add to your taste, a half a cup of whole milk, and a 1/4 cup of melted butter, giving everything a good mix with my hand mixer. Adding a half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and 2 beaten eggs, mixing one more time until incorporated. Instead of using a stand or a hand mixer, you could also give this a rustic mash for a little texture. I have a well-buttered baking dish and pouring everything in and leveling out. Of course, we have to add the mini marshmallows. I'm also adding some pecans to the top for a little crunch. Baking at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. And it's that easy. We enjoy the traditional sweet potato casserole with our Thanksgiving meal. It adds a little sweetness to the plate. I have lots of other Thanksgiving recipes on my holiday playlist. If you have a chance, please check them out. From my family to your family, happy Thanksgiving and enjoy! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!